Climate change, pollution and species loss are having a huge impact on the planet that we live on. Powerful storms and extreme temperatures are changing our landscapes. The oceans are full of plastic and many native animals are struggling to survive. Some progress is being made, but more can be done to preserve our environment, Te Taio, for future generations.
The Tread Lightly Charitable Trust was founded in 2007 to inspire New Zealanders to live more sustainably. I'm incredibly proud that we've now been operating for more than 15 years. During that time, we've hosted some 80,000 primary and intermediate school students who take home messages to their family about how they can make simple, everyday changes to their lifestyle that will have a positive impact on the health of our planet and the well-being of future generations.
I like working for Tread Lightly Caravan because I like the ethos that they have. I like the fact that we go into schools and we are starting at the ground level and working our way up and teaching kids to look after the environment that we live in, not just for them, but for the next generation to come.
The Tread Lightly Caravan and the Drain Game travel to primary and intermediate schools throughout the Auckland region. A visit from one of our mobile caravans is a big event for any school. We offer something you can't do in your classroom. We offer science-based, hands-on, interactive activities that are really highly engaging and give the children opportunities to learn about ways that they can help look after the environment.
One of our key messages is that small changes really make a difference, and that everything matters from the time they get up to the time they go to bed. All those little things matter, and there's things that often people don't think about, adults or kids.
It's really important that everyone has an understanding of how our actions and choices can have a huge impact on the environment.
What we hope for at Tread Lightly is the students start to feel motivated to do those small things that all add up to helping the planet.
We wrap up every session by encouraging the tamariki to choose a pledge, a promise of something that they want to do to help look after the environment.
My pledge is to walk, bike or scooter because then I'm not wasting energy and polluting the air with gas.
Switch devices off when not using them. I can use my bike when I go to the shop. Having short showers so I can save water.
We take their photo and print it out and pop it in a little folder for them to be able to take home, which also encourages their whānau to choose their own pledge.
My pledge is to have shorter showers because I have very long showers and I found out that's bad for the environment.
We want them to be able to feel ownership and to feel like they can make a difference.
This was an easy thing for me to do to help save the environment.
We tailor our teaching sessions to meet the needs of each school while pitching information at a level that can be understood by children in each age group up to the age of 13 years.
Our original message, which was for us all to tread lightly on Te Taio, is even more relevant now than it was 15 years ago.
Ko te whenua te waiumoa na uri whakatipu.
If you would like us to visit your school, then check out our website or follow us on Facebook.